Come in close. Closer. Because the more you think you see, the easier it'll be to fool you.
For Pandora by Dun and Dave, you're going to position the corner of your deck so it pushes against the base of your right thumb, the meat right over in this area, and you're going to position your index right here and the remaining fingers in a dealer's grip position, and you're going to push your ring and pinky so you create a slight bevel in the deck, and position the remaining fingers as shown. Now with your right hand thumb, you're going to catch a break of a small packet above your ring finger right over here. You need to push the corner against the base of your left thumb right over here. Note the bevel. The packet should be about 6 to 7 cards, as you can see. Place the packet above the ring finger again. Now once you have the break, with your thumb and middle finger of your right hand, you're going to break half the deck and strip it out like so, slowly backwards towards your side, and continue pushing the corner of the top packet against the thumb, the base of your thumb, and pivot the packet about your right middle, as you can see as I'm stripping it out like so. Now position your index right over here and slide a single card while you twist it, so you are in this kind of display phase, and move it forward. Move your hand forward so it faces upwards like so. Now doing it again, catching the break, stripping it out and getting back to this position. Extend your ring finger and clip this packet in between your ring and middle like so, and twist it so you basically clip between your ring and middle, as you can see, the entire packet. Push it against the base of your left thumb like so. Now reach for the single card with your middle and ring finger of the left hand. Keep your ring finger under the card and your middle on top, so you're holding it like so, and place your pinky right over here, your right pinky at the corner that is at the opposite end of the corner that's against your base of your left thumb. Now you're going to extend your pinky and clip the card with your 3 fingers, and this is basically the display. Now getting back into the display position, now with your right ring finger you're going to push this packet so it rotates forward, creating room for this single card to move inwards. So basically what you're doing is this, and you're going to place it at the bottom of the deck. Now use your right index to strip the top card out, and again grip it with your 3 fingers, ring, middle and pinky, and you're going to do the display once again. So there are 2 displays in this move. Now you're going to regrip the packet with your middle and index that's in your right hand, and remember to keep this packet at the base of your left thumb. So again, I'm going to show you. This is basically called a tornado cut. If you're not familiar with it, you're basically going to spin the packet and what you're doing is placing your ring finger right at the short edge over here and pulling it back. At the same time, you're basically going to loosen the grip at the corners to allow the packet to easily spin between your two hands. Now again, from the opener, clip the card, position your pinky, place it back, strip the top card out, and the second display, and you can place the single card back at the left hand. That's up to you, the two styles. Now this is the tornado cut that I just taught. You're spinning it with your ring finger, your right hand ring finger. Now you're going to place the packet, this tornado cut packet, right on your left hand with your ring finger curled and your middle extended, like so, and grip the packet that's in your right hand with your middle and ring thumb and split it like so, and clip this packet with your ring and middle and twist it such that the middle rotates about the ring finger and the middle is inwards and the ring is outwards. Now again, the tornado cut, placing the packet on top, clipping it with your left and breaking the packet that's in your right hand, and place this packet in between these two packets with your middle right over here, and you're going to close the shard there, and you're basically having the packet still grip between your middle and ring. Place your right middle right over here and twist it about your ring finger like so. You're going to keep this packet in between your ring and middle the entire time. Now grip this packet in a corner grip with your thumb and middle. Place your index at the top and break a packet. Move this packet to your left so it's in a standing position like this. Twist this packet face up, strip it out, and again clip the deck in your left hand between your ring and middle. Twist it so it lands face upwards, and twist this packet with the short end, and that's pretty much it.